Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, welcome. If it's not your first time, thanks so much for stopping by to hang out with me again. So in today's video, I have a super cute freebie to share with you all. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you may can tell that the freebie is this adorable Cookie Monster first birthday chip bag template that's available now over on my main website, hangingwiththekiddos.com. You can get this for absolutely free and print off as many as you need for your Cookie Monster themed party. Or if you know anyone that is having a Cookie Monster first birthday party, feel free to share this video with them so that they can get this for free also. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below. If you would like to see me print this design out and assemble it for you all, please drop me a comment. And if you need something more customized or personalized, hit me up over in my Etsy shop. You can find me on Etsy at Hanging with the Kiddos, and I'll leave a link to my Etsy shop in the description box down below. If you want to learn how to make your own chip bag designs, you can use my blank chip bag template that I made. I'll leave that in the description box down below also. So guys, that's it for now. Go grab your freebie. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.